welcome back to the channel. Right now I'm going to have a bit of a look at some cryptos on the charts. It's the end of the first week of the Ethereum futures been opening, and we've had a bit of a run up throughout the week. Sort of getting stuck here now at the sort of 48,000 price on Bitcoin, but we'll just want to go over the charts now anyways. So on Bitcoin here right now at a price of 47,000. This is on the Bitstamp chart. The highest high on this run was 14 on Bitstamp. It's 49,000 exactly. We're in a little bit of a range now between the very short term range, the top side say 48,000, say 100, to the bottom side, the very short term range, say 46,000. We'll see 46,200 called the bottom side, the very short term range. But instead of, and say on the 4 hour, between a range of that 48,100 to 44,000 region. If we do close a 4 hour candle below the 44,000 price, I do think we'll be heading down to say the 41,200 price. If we do close a 4 hour candle below 41,000, I think we'll be coming back down to say the 38,100 price. Right now I don't think that's really going to happen. You just got to go with the trend. We could come down all the way to there and still be safe. Just here on the 4 hour, I'm just going to bring on the moving averages. So right now we have the 55 moving average coming in at say 43,000. If we do come down there, I'd say that would be a good opportunity for a bounce. Sort of the bottom of the very short term range we have here that I said was sort of around say 46,300. That's where the 4 hour 21 exponential is coming in at. And that if it did happen, if we did get a bit of a leg down here all the way to that sort of 38,000 price I was saying, that is where the 4 hour 200 exponential is coming in at. Not financial advice, but if we did come down to as far as that, I'd say that would be a very good opportunity for a longer term trade to hold. I think that would be, if we did come down there, I think that would be a very good buying opportunity for myself. We're just going to bring it up to the daily and see what those prices come in at. So yes, as that 55 keeps rising, that the 55 right now on the daily is coming in at 35,000. That's a very high volume area on the node. So the 38,000 area, not really anything on the moving averages on the daily. 21 exponential on the daily is coming in at about 40,400. Yeah, I see on the 12 hour that 55 is coming in around 38,000, where the 4 hour 200 is coming in at just a bit lower than that. So that around that 38,000, that price I'd be looking at for a long-term opportunity, or just my next long entry to hold on to for a while. So if we do close this current, it is the weekend price action now, so CMEs are closed. But if we do close above a price of say, if we do close, just be very safe. The wick high that we currently had on Bitstamp, if we do close above 49,000, I think we're on to more all-time highs. You could probably even call it, if we close above 48,500, probably on to new all-time highs as well. Have a bit of a look at Ethereum. So Ethereum in just slowly but surely stepping its way up, getting little dips down to the 21 and to the 25 and the 55 on the 4 hour. But just looking at them as really opportunities to get back in long. I just want to look at show you something on the so I'm on the Bitcoin chart now here. I'll put it onto the daily so it's a bit easier to see. So I went back to where Bitcoin broke out of its previous all-time high of 20,000. And since then, we've gone up 147%. Now, if you're just looking at Ethereum to do a similar sort of thing, so Ethereum broke out of its all-time high of 1,400 not that long ago, at the start of February, really. and since then we have only done about 35%. So if we're to say Ethereum's going to do a similar run up over the next couple of months while on this bull run, that would be 143%. That would bring us in at a price of around 3,400. And I think it's in terms of this bull run, I think it's very, very possible. So like I said, we've just broken out the all-time high, and with Ethereum getting picked up by the CMEs, I do think this is going to happen, and over the long term I think we're going to go even higher than this. We're going to have another look at some altcoins before we finish up the episode. So DOT has gone crazy the last couple of days. DOT is at a price now of $28. It did, I'm looking at the Binance chart against Tether, and the highest high on this, the all-time high that this has reached is $30.02. So we have done on this since, just say the 28th, end of December, DOT has done 450%. That is huge. And Link broke the $30 region. I'm looking at this is on the Tether Bybit chart. The highest high of this was $32. So again, since the 1st of January, this has done 167%. We really are in a bit of an altcoin season. Doing some of these altcoins are doing insane percentage profits. And but like I said, just be careful with it, because if Bitcoin gets a dip, all the altcoins get a bigger dip. And if during altcoin season the altcoins tend to make more percentage profits than Bitcoin as well, seem to get the extremes of it both ways when it's going that way. When altcoins are taking a run up, they take a crazy run up, and when they take a leg down, they take a crazy leg down. So I think that is it for this video. I just wanted to catch up after the week where Bitcoin making new all-time highs, Ethereum making all-time highs, but the real gains in this week, percentage profits, have been some altcoins who have just gone doing huge profits. I'm just going to bring up another one quickly here. And I don't know what this is. I haven't bought any of it, but a friend of mine, if you're in the Telegram groups of my group, Mad Crypto HQ, or Kif's Cryptos group, I'm not exactly sure, it's Kif's Trading and something, it's all titled under his videos, or if you join my group there'll be a link for it there as well. A friend of ours is posting in that group about this coin that is done since like early mid-February, has done 260%. Like I said, I have no idea what this coin is, but it is making some savage profits. It really is an altcoin season. That is it for this video. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.